Hi, everyone. My name is Raquel Castro. I'd like to start with describing my current reaction to field practicum now. I would say one word is motivated. I feel that I'm definitely motivated to move on and transition in my education to a higher education. Can say a second word would be confident. I do feel a little bit more confident in my interactions with the population that I'm working with clients, implementing interventions that I've learned over the last few sessions with my supervisor and in the coursework. I do feel a lot more confident. Um, Secondly, identify my current level I operate now versus when I first begun. I would say when I first begun, I felt like I was at a developing stage. Now I kind of feel proficient. Um, and I would say again, that does come from the supervision that I've had with my supervisor and the coursework, the feedback from our instructor, implementing, like I said before, the interventions, the skill building, identifying the need for the client. I feel that I'm a little bit better to identify the need and connect them to the competencies that we just learned. I feel that I have better insight overall and understand the competencies to full better than I did when I first started. Identify and briefly discuss three areas of strengths that you've most grown in now that you have completed field program practicum. So I haven't completed my practicum yet, but I do feel that three strengths, and again, um, I don't want to sound repetitive, but I do feel that I am more confident when I'm talking to the youth that I work with. I feel that I'm able to identify their needs a little bit better. I feel that when I'm implementing some of the interventions that my supervisor has gave me ideas about, I feel that I they're more effective and I understand them myself more and the reasoning for them. And three, I think that I've come out of my comfort zone. My supervisor has definitely pushed me out of my comfort zone to do tasks that I would have not normally done before, because I am doing my practicum at my current place of employment. So he did want to make a learning experience for me, push me out of my comfort zone, do things that I don't normally do, which was been very beneficial for me. So I engage with the youth a little bit more, which is a strength for me. And even doing something like this, contacting other professional um, um, people within our in our agency, reaching out to other resources. That's all something that I feel a lot more comfortable doing. So I've definitely grown in those areas, and I would identify those as my three strengths. Thank you.